Ripple cryptocurrency is one of the oldest cryptocurrencies in existence, and it is dropping as expected according to supply, demand, and price action. And I'm going to explain why this is happening and what the expectations are for this particular cryptocurrency. So this is Ripple on the monthly time frame, and we have Ripple that is in the middle of nowhere after eliminating this area over here. We have price right in the middle of nowhere. This large wick here is helping Ripple to rally into that area of supply, but buying right now Ripple based on this wick is not a good idea. We are expecting Ripple to drop down there to this area of demand at around 0.66 or rally to that area at 277. So for now, buying is not a good idea. And I'm going to analyze the smaller time frames too, so you can see, okay? But here is the problem, that most crypto traders are still buying too early. They just want to buy the hype, or some YouTuber or Instagrammers saying, oh, buy here, buy there, okay? But that's like short-term trading for crypto traders, okay? So Ripple cryptocurrency is, like I said, in the middle of nowhere. It's one of the first cryptocurrencies ever created together with Ethereum and Bitcoin, which was the number one, obviously. And it's a lot of emotional baggage. So old believers, new speculators, plenty of hope, and traders who want to, who completely ignore all this, okay, supply and demand. So there's a lot of hype here. So I don't trade hope, as you know. I trade price action and supply and demand, and we are expecting price to either rally up there and drop down there. So right now, Ripple XRP cryptocurrency is doing exactly what it should be doing, trying, well, to reach either of these two magnets, okay? These supply level here and the demand level down there, they act like magnet, attracting price. And right now it's like in the middle. So buying in the middle, or like many traders say, a diddle in the middle is not a good idea because it could go anywhere. But if we take a look at the smaller time frames, and the weekly time frame is a smaller one, we can see indecision here again. Why? Because we have, look at this bearish king candle over there, and look at this reaction from this bullish impulse over there. All this happening within this, let's say, classic support. They are unable to close underneath, and then price is reacting, trying to reach the monthly supply at the top. If we take a look at the daily time frame, we've got a daily demand level that we mentioned on Central Line Trading Community, and look at the reaction over there. The crypto has rallied today like about 7%, okay? Let's take a look at Bitcoin, what Bitcoin is doing, because Bitcoin is still has the daily demand level in control and the monthly too. So the demand level is in control here on Bitcoin, and the monthly is trying to play out. As expected, I recorded videos on Bitcoin about this. So if you go to my YouTube channel, or if you are a member of Central Line Trading Community, you will have access to those analyses too. So, well, Bitcoin is trying to reach down there, and then from there we expect some reactions, bullish price action. Let's see if that happens or not. But if we go now to Ripple, okay, look at the daily demand level and the reaction. So selling now, nope. Buying, well, it looks like it is going to play out, but this was not the best moment to buy, like I said, because it's like in the middle of nowhere on the monthly, and also in the middle of nowhere on the weekly time frame. Okay, the expectation is for Ripple to drop much lower, and we'll see if that happens. So after a very strong sell-off, we expect this. After a very strong rally, we expect this. It tried to reach that imbalance there created back in 2024. In April 2025, it tried to reach it again in October 2025. It couldn't. 2 attempts. And hopefully the next one will reach it, okay? But for now, it's a little bit tricky to trade this one, although the reaction has been very, very strong in the smaller time frame in the 4-hour. We can see the reaction too with this hammer. And if these highs are broken, we expect Ripple to reach this. This is very poor, could be eliminated easily. So The monthly expectation is clear. Ripple is trying to reach that area of supply. Okay, price is working its way up. The same way that it's working the way down. It's trying to reach the supply level, but also trying to drop. So when these situations happen, it's very tricky to trade in smaller time frames. You can use obviously short-term scalping, intraday crypto strategies to do this, but I'm not doing that. I prefer to lean on the bigger time frames because it gives me more tranquility. I can sleep well, can do my things, and forget about it. Like I will set and forget, set a trade, forget about it. I don't have to pay attention to the monitor, to my trading platform every day for a couple of hours. Okay, so let's see what happens with Ripple. It is a very tricky one. Okay, right now, but for now, for short-term scalper crypto traders, we have the daily demand level in control. We have these hammer on the 4-hour. We have bullish price action, so we're expecting price to rally. And as I said before, on Bitcoin, we have the demand level on the daily. We also have the 4-hour here. Demand level on the daily in control. We also have the monthly demand level in control. And playing out it's the same way these monthly demand level are. I've recorded a video for this in the past to play it out. So let's see what happens. And if you like these videos, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel.